Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Arisa and this is Arisa Art. Today I am doing a Dutch pour on a 15 by 30 inch canvas, and I have far too many colors, all in pinks because it's Valentine's Day coming up next week and I just wanted to do a little pinky something. So I'll show you my colors. A lot of them are mixes with a lot of different colors, so they're all just variations of pink, and there's a couple of true colors in there. So this is my first. It's kind of an orangey pink. And then this is a true color. This is the Persian Rose by Amsterdam. And then this is a true color. This is the Sterling Silver by Rustoleum Metallic Accents. This kind of comes. I buy this on Amazon. So that's that color. And this is a purpley mix of colors. Sorry, I really don't know what all is in here. Here's a brighter pink, but less orange in that. These two started off the same, and then I altered this one just to give it a little more orangey color by adding a little bit of a bright gold by Color Art. And then I have gold, but I'm only going to use this in a little bit. I'm not going to use too much gold in this. And then this is a pink that started off like this. Like this basically. And then I added some of my chocolate brown to it just to brown it up a little bit. And then this is a true color. This is the white pearl, metallic white pearl by Rustoleum in the metallic accents. And then this is just another, this is, oh, I know what this one is. This is the Persian Rose with a little bit of the seashell by the metallic accents. So those are my too many colors. My base is going to be gray. I use for the most part, the neutral gray by Liquitex Basics, but I didn't have enough. So then I added some titanium white in there by Amsterdam and a little bit of the oxide black. And then I have a darker color in here, which is a mix of oxide black and the a little bit of the iridescent blue black by Pebeo with the sterling silver. So too many colors, but I was feeling them pinks. So I'm going to flood my colors, or flood my base with my neutral gray. And then we'll get started on this piece. To make sure all my sides were covered and that I didn't have too much paint left on the canvas. And I think I'm pretty good. Let me get just a couple little spots here. But I also don't want too little paint left on the canvas. It's definitely a balancing act. You have to make sure you have just enough for your paints to flow, but not so much for your paints to move a lot after you're done blowing. So it's a balancing act, and it's kind of trial and error until you feel you got it right? So I think my colors and my sides are pretty good. Let me dry my hands off here. I'm going to torch my base coat and get out little bits that I see, like this little thing here. And this little thing here. All right. Get this base coat out of the way and get you guys back in frame since I picked it up. There you go. All right, let's get a torch on. And we'll get our colors laid out. Now, I do want to add to this piece after I'm done blowing it out and after it's dried, obviously. So what my goal is that even though I have so many colors on here, I don't want the colors to come all the way off the edge. If that happens, great. If it doesn't happen and it comes off the edge, I'll adjust. So I don't want it to come off the edge. So as many colors as I have in here, I'm going to try really hard not to put too much of each. There's that. There's something linear in that piece. I think I'm moving around too much. There's too many fuzzes. I don't have any animals, but it feels like I've got some. Oh, I was doing some other projects today. That's why I'm fuzzy right now. Okay, so I'm just going to pour. I'm going to go kind of your standard way. And my paints are not thin. So that is what I want. And I'm purposefully leaving that dark color until the end because I want it to kind of rim my colors. That color on there is really pretty. So I'm leaving it out to the end so I can add it to the surround of these colors. And hopefully it'll offer more of an edging rather than being in the colors, if that makes any sense. Did I just see a chunk? I feel like I just saw a chunk. A little bit. Just some thick paint right there. Okay, let's keep on going. All right, so I'm coming up with my gold. I really don't want a tremendous amount of gold. I'm going to try to really keep it to a very light stream. And maybe not even full. I just want a little bit of gold here and there. Like that. So I need definitely more over here. Let me try to start from the center. There. All right. Let's do this brownish green pink. This brownish pink is super cute. I like that color a lot. It's really kind of neutral. And my pearly color. This is a lot of paint on here. Oh my word. And then finally my pinky pearl color. So I'm going to torch it first and then I'll line it with that black. And then we'll blow it out. And I see one more little fuzz here. Oh, it's a little bit of paint. That's what that is. We'll just mix that in, right? There you go. All right, so I'm going to take my black and I'm just going to outline these, this stream of color. Trying to keep it right on the edge so it connects rather than being just in that base coat. All right, that was a pretty good job. Maybe I'll do one little line through, but like that gold, just a quick line, just to add it to the piece. All right, I'll torch it one more time and we'll blow this out. I'm gonna go up and try to go up again. So here I go. I didn't want to lose the negative space right there. Let that go over. This one I got to work on. That first left-handed one got a little dainty on me. Really love the colors. I want to blow that out just a bit. The silver, the sterling silver is so pretty. Touched it, but luckily, oh, I touched it a lot. Luckily, it's just the gray. Let me get that cleaned up. All right, so really love these colors. Let me blow this off really fast. And then the center part, because I didn't really blow it, I just wanted to turn it a little bit like this. I'm going to blow it up because it's too straight for me. I blow it up and then I blow it down. There. That way you make it kind of a pinch point, kind of showing the different directions of your piece. Gosh, I love these colors. They're so pretty. This is too straight for me. I'm going to blow that just a bit. Oh, the colors are so pretty. Too straight. Let that one drip. Just a bit. Okay, I think I'm done. Oh, I love these colors so much. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. The pinks, all the pinks. Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna I'm gonna pause it because the Apple phone update freaking gives us a pause button. That's so amazing. So I don't have to cut so many videos while I'm filming. So I'm gonna pause it. It'll be amazing if they allow you to turn on the flash in the middle of the current video. So let's find out. I'll be right back. All right, I don't know if they'll let me turn on the flash. It didn't work, but look at the colors, y'all. Oh my gosh, this color combination is just beautiful. And all the different pearls that I've added in here and the metallics that give some beautiful cells. Absolutely stunning. And that, oh, the sterling silver right there, I love that color so much. Sorry, it sounds like my voice is getting a little sick, so I don't know if I'm getting sick, but my voice sounds a little off. Sorry about that. But just the little few touches of gold was exactly what I wanted. So that makes me super happy. I love how this is here. I may blow this part out just a little bit to make it so it's not so square. That one piece by accident, so whatever, it's okay. But look, I love that I rimmed it with that dark color, because then you just get these moments and it's not so dark and you don't get a lot of mud within your piece. And I love that. But I'm also glad then that I added it in the center, because you have that little streak there of dark. And so where you need it, it makes sense that you have the dark instead of having it just on the rim, on the edges, but it doesn't take over at all. And that's what I was going for by just adding it to the edges of my paint colors. Oh my gosh, my voice really does sound like I'm getting sick. I hope I'm not getting sick. But so if you saw my last video, I was talking about starting a resin channel. Let me know if what you guys think about that. I'd love to hear from you. Either way, I think I'm going to do it just because I want to honor the audience that I've had that have been watching me do painting for so long, and not take over with resin, because I do really love working with resin, but some people just want to paint and they don't want to work with resin. So I'm going to do it either way, but tell me what you think. Again, it'll be called Arisa Resin Art. But what do you think of this current piece? I absolutely love it, to the point where I'm like, what I wanted to do, I don't know if I want to do it, because I love how this turned out. This is beautiful to me. I love this color palette. And I still have so many of the paints left, so I can make another one and they can be a matching pair. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Give me a like if you'd like. If you like this piece, give me a share or a comment, or subscribe would be amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye. So this one's slightly different in that the color stayed bolder, I guess, fuller here, and I'm so happy. I still have that nice silver and black line here. And I added the cell activator, and it didn't add a lot of lacing, which is fine, but I love the way this looks right now. This is so pretty. And so I had my colors. I just wanted to make another one, and I had this old piece that I wanted to pour over. So I did, and I'm happy. This base, again, will be a little darker than the other because I had to mix new. I didn't have enough, and I put a lot more oxide black in it. But I also put some of my silver in this base, so it's gonna have a little more sparkle to it. So anyway, thanks for watching this video, y'all. I will see you next time. Take care. Bye. So this is the dry result of that first one, and I could not be happier. It dried so perfectly, and you see that sterling silver in there and the pearl white. It just absolutely shines. This is without varnish on it or anything like that. So that's that combination right there of the sterling silver with the pearl white. And I absolutely love this piece. I can't wait to see it all shined up. I will go get the second piece that I made, and I'll show you that one. Right back. Alrighty, and here is piece number 2. You certainly will see a lot more of the pearl come through there like that, but you still get that sterling silver on the outline with the nice dark color. And there's a little texture in this piece because it was a pour over an older piece, but it's actually not that bad. Let me see if I can get, so you see just a touch of sparkle in the base on this one because I added the sterling silver to the base, but again, this is not varnished. It shines so much. Tell me what you think about it in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye.